Hey everyone, Jared Garcia here, iSpeakRealty.com. Come check out our website. We are at 7400 Quail Spring Place, Northeast, Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87113. This property here is $325,000. I want to take you guys through a little virtual open house today. It's 1,485 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, priced at $325,000. Come on in, guys. Let me know what you all think. When you first walk into your entryway, really nice entryway, a little space to put some things, but off to your right away, you have a nice closet right there. Laundry room. It goes right into your garage. There is the garage. Now the garage is all finished. Insulated garage door. Automatic garage door opener. Right across from the laundry room, you have a full bathroom, single sink, really nice shape, nice tile, carpet's in good shape. Now it's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This is, we'll count down on this one. This is bedroom 3. Well, that's right off to the right of your entry. I walked in just right here. Now, when you walk to your left of the front entry area is your master. Actually, I'm sorry, it is not your master. Your master is in a different little section, but this would be bedroom 2. Nice walk-in closet. Carpet is in really good shape. As you can tell in the closet, it does have everything finished to where you can hang your clothes, and put your shoes up, all kinds of different stuff. Now walking straight, you walk into the kitchen. Nice kitchen, nice countertops, nice little pantry area. I'll show you that to you. I'll take a little step back, little pantry there. Nice color of countertops. Take a look at the countertops. Let me know what you guys think. Dishwasher, dryer, microwave, refrigerator, washer are the appliances that are being sold with the property, according to my notes here. Now there's your kitchen, living area, and I'm right under the dining area section. Take a look at this light fixture. Really cool light fixture. Actually, I haven't seen that one before. I see quite a bit of light fixtures, really nice. Here's your living area. Now there is no carpet in the kitchen, living, dining area, hallways. Now coming to the master bedroom. Sorry about that little mistake. This is your master bedroom here. Let me know what you think of the size of this bedroom. I'll kind of walk around the whole thing so you get a little idea what it looks like. You walk into your master bathroom. You have double sinks. Garden tub. Stand-in shower right behind the door. Let's take a better look at that. You have a room for your commode, and take a look at this walk-in closet here. Really nice little section. All the closets look to be in really good shape, ready for you to put all your stuff in here. I mean, solidly built. It's all wood in the closet, so you know there's no wire, metal racks and that type of stuff, so that's nice. All right, 1,485 approximate square feet, $325,000. Built in 1998, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, is a Newman home. So that's the builder. It was built by Newman Homes. This is a cute little one-story, guys. Very open floor plan, vaulted ceilings. Now look at the landscaping, very easy care landscaping. There's no HOA in this little section. You have tile roof. Very easy to maintain this yard. It's a pretty small little yard, but has a nice little walking path here. As you can see, it somewhat has a 0 lot line, which means the house next to us is, this is the lot line right here, going straight. Evaporative cooling, central forced air. Really nice little property, guys. Let me know what you think. I'm hoping you guys are all having a great day today. If you guys are looking to sell or purchase a property, please reach out to us. We're more than happy to help out. Don't forget, we offer our all new customers $500 local donation with your purchase, and we'll get your home professionally cleaned for you. So come on down, guys. Let us know what you think. Hope you guys are having a good day. Priced at $325,000. Let us know if we can help. Have a good one. Bye, guys.